Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about one of the most important skill in our life. How to improve communication skill in English. If you really want to speak confidently, fluency and clearly in English, then this video will help you a lot. So make sure you watch till the end. First of all, let me tell you something very simple but powerful. Communication is not just speaking, it is a expressing. Many people think communication means just using big vocabulary or speaking with a perfect accent, but that is not true. Communication means expressing your thoughts clearly so the other person understand you easily. So how do you improve your English communication skill? The first step is to listen more. Even every language start with listening. When a baby learn to speak, the baby does not read grammar books. The baby listen, observes, and then slowly start speaking. In the same way, if you want to improve your English speaking skill, start listening to English daily. You can listen to English podcast, English movies, English news, or English YouTube who speak slowly and clearly. While listening, notice how they pronounce the word, how they pause, how they connect sentence. This will help you speak naturally. This second important step is thinking in English. Yes, I know it sounds difficult, but it is very important. When you think in Hindi and translate into English, you get stuck. Your brain becomes slow. So start thinking in English even if your English is simple. For example, instead of thinking मुझे पानी पीना है, try thinking I want to drink water. Instead of मुझे मार्केट जाना है, think I need to go to the market. Start small, start simple, but think in English. Now the third step is practice speaking. Many people learn grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, but they don't speak. They wait for the perfect moment. They think one day suddenly they will speak fluent English, but that day never come. You must create your speaking opportunity. Speak with your friends, speak with your family member, speak with yourself in the mirror, or record your voice on your phone. When you practice speaking, you become more confident and your hesitation start despairing. Another simple method that really helps is shadowing. Shadowing means listen to a native speaker and repeat their sentences in the same rhythm, tone and speed. It's like copying their style. This technique improves pronunciation, confidence and fluency. You can do it for 5 to 10 minutes daily. The next important point is learning vocabulary with content. Do not memorize long list of words. Instead, learn 5 new words daily and make sentence with them. For example, if the word is confident, make a sentence. I feel confident while speaking English. When you use word in sentences, your brain remember them easily. Now let's talk about grammar. Many people are afraid of grammar, but let me tell you, you don't need to learn advanced grammar in the beginning. Start with basic grammar, present tense, past tense and future tense. When your basic are strong, your speaking become smooth. Don't stress too much about mistake. Mistakes means you are learning. The next tip is speak slowly and clearly. Many people speak fast because they want to sound fluency, but when they speak fast, they make mistake and lose confidence. Slow speaking is not a weakness, it is clarity. When you speak slowly, you give yourself time to think and the listener understand you better. Another habit you should develop is reading aloud. Take a book, newspaper, or any English text and read it loudly for 5 minutes daily. This will improve your pronunciation, confidence, and fluency. Now, let me share a powerful tip. Use simple English. Communication is not about showing off difficult word or completed grammar. The best communication is simple. Instead of saying I am extremely delighted, simple say I am very happy. Keep your English clear and easy. Also try to join an English speaking environment. You can join online speaking groups, English learning communities, or conversation club. When you talk with new people, your confidence grow and your communication improve faster. Last but not least, be consistent. English communication is a skill and every skill need time. Perfect practice 20 to 30 minutes daily. Even if your progress is slow, keep going. One day you will speak English confidently and naturally. Before ending the video, remember this: you don't learn English in one day, you learn English every day. So don't be afraid of mistake. Don't compare yourself with other and don't give up. Keep practicing, keep speaking and keep improving. Thank you. Goodbye. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Comment below and tell me, from today I will practice English daily. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing. Goodbye, take care and bye bye.